Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano padzirari 263 pano pandokuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Uchiri munyowani, uchiri mutsva, kusubscribe mahara, utena on the notification bell so that patidoramba tichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera panapa. Uchange uchiona manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka ndatisubscribe, ndatilike this video, ndatishare this video kune hama neshamwari, walike here, wasubscribe here. Vadikani ndine video iri kutendera mastreets esocial media. Chii chanchitaurwa pavidhio iyi? Zvanga zvichinzi garai makatenga chikafu nemvura makazvichengetedza mudzimba, especially vanhu vari muHarare. So ndatita zvatofika kukomera section pamusoro pevidhio iri wapedza kuriona kuti bo here yanga ichitaurika apa kuti yekunzi iyo garai makatenga chikafu makaisa nekuti hanzi zvichaitika hazvizikanwe kana zvatiri kuronga hazvisi kuzikanwa. Ndatita zvatofika kukomera section pamusoro pevidhio iri inisati rarendorova nyaya sezvairi ende tinofamba tiine proof. I really appreciate you nesupport yamunopa nguva nenguva pano pathis YouTube channel. Rudo rwenyu rwakatikoshera zvinoita kuti tirambe tichimhanya nemanews updates. 150,000 subscribers ahasi majokes. Kuda kuita kwenyu inyasha dzaMwari. Ngatione video.
Right. Guys, yesterday kana kuti nasi makuseni ikoko ndamuka ndikaita video, okay? Ndaita video and I was warning you guys kuti endai munotenga chikafu, something is about to happen. Ndadzoka futi guys, reliably informing you, something very hot, something very bad is about to happen, and something has already happened ku State House. Murukunzwaka, endai munotenga chikafu, tell your relatives to go and buy food, stock some water, and also make sure your kids don't go to school. Particularly kana uchigara muHarare. Kana une hama inogara kuHarare ka. Guys, take this message very seriously. Something has happened to State House when Vice President Chiwenga came back from Bulawayo Trade Fair. There was a big, massive confrontation. Guys, I want you to listen to this. I want you to pay attention to my advice. I said to you yesterday, or Nas Maneru, Makuseni, whatever time I later live, I can't remember. I said, guys, there's something bad that's going to happen. It's already started. By the time it comes to 6, for the next parliament, where this impeachment thing is supposed to be put in motion, guys, if you are caught up in this crossfire that was already started, chances are that kana ukavanda pasi pebridge ndopa uchagara for a very long time. Please tell your relatives kana uchigara muHarare, do not go out. Hands, stay away. If you guys doubt what I'm saying, I can reliably right now refer you, go to Shepherd Judas page. He is ex-army. He can tell you also he's done a video. He's done a very reliable and concerning video. Go and listen to that video. You'll be able to see exactly where I'm coming from. Guys, this is not a joke. This is a matter of life and death. Musabuda Panze, stay at home. Things are getting very bad behind the scene. Things are getting very bad behind the scene. I'm simply saying this, not kuti support stay away kuti comrade Geza, comrade vedu vazoti zvakati. I'm simply telling you out of love. Kana muine hama dziri muHarare, udzanai guys, stay at home. musateerera zviya zviri kutaurwa. There is something brewing behind the scenes that is massive. Something is brewing that is massive. Zviri kutaurwa naComrade Geza kuti pachaita exchange yepfutika. I'm saying this to you directly. There is going to be gunfire. There is going to be guns blazing. Guys, take this word seriously. Kana muine opportunity yekwenda kunotenga chikafu, go and buy your food right now and your stocks right now. If you know relatives that are still out there or that are traveling, guys, warn people to stay away and stay at home. Kana muine vana vari panzapo, vari kuma university vaya, guys, things are about to turn nasty. Things are about to turn nasty. Kana mchiziva vanhu mamunoziva vari muHarare vane macontacts anoziva zviri kuitika kuState House, find out what's going on. That's why ndiri kukuudzai, guys, we don't do these kind of things for to scare people. We don't have any reason to do that. But I'm saying this, I didn't have any intentions to come and do this video. I'm going to do a few things and then go back to my office. But guys, let me tell you one thing. Take this advice very seriously. There is something that has happened, and this thing is just a bad indication of what's coming. And I'm telling you this, if you have relatives, if you have kids that are out there, make sure your kids stay home. For the next coming 13 days, make sure your kids stay home. Make sure your loved ones, they stay home. Musaita naro akumana kwararo kukwa piswa zulu. Let's just get to a point where we just listen to what is going on, and let's get information and not argue. You know life. You don't want to be caught in a crossfire. Kanazkanzi, stay home. It's the safest method that you can ever get. Kugara kumba kwako, stay at home. Right now, things are about to explode. Stay at home. Particularly kana uchigara muHarare. If you live in Harare or stay around, sorry guys, kuri kutonora zvakaipa. If you stay around Harare, stay home. Pass this message to your relatives. Pass this message ku vanhu vese vamunoziva vanogara muHarare, particularly muHarare. Stay away from CBD, guys. Stay away from CBD. I'm saying this again. Stay away from CBD. Right now, if you go and open your shop, you find out that things are going to turn nasty. Stay away from CBD. That's all I can say. Kunana Gweru, Kunana Blawayo, Mutare, and all these other areas. Guys, listen. This Zimbabwe, you're going to find out this is going to be soldier versus soldier. Okay? The situation that we have now on the ground is going to be soldier versus soldier. So stay away. Stay home. If you love your kids, tell them to stay home. If you love your fathers, mothers, tell them to stay home. If you love your daughters, your sons, tell them to stay home. I'm reliably informing you, things are brewing very badly in the background. Things are brewing very badly in the background. Comrade Geza vari kubuda vachiuya vachitaura vachi-update in a more loving way. But I can tell you this, things are brewing very badly in the background. Please, stay home. Take this advice, stay home. Musarerwa nhema netuma youth to ZANU PF Twitter. Kana vanhu vari kubuda ka. Kana vanhu vari kubuda ka, vakomana. Vari kuzobuda vachizoita zvavanoita. When these people come out, No one is ever going to stop them. The position and the situation at epoch, no one is going to do anything about it, including my youth as ZANU-PF yoaya. Right? Right, this ZANU-PF is Gananda. It is going to go. And it is at this critical point that I'm telling you guys, tell your relatives to stay home. Things have turned out nastier than we all thought was going to be. Take my word, take my advice. Kana une opportunity kwenda right now to go and buy something, or if you know someone in a shop arikutengesa something, go and buy stuff and stock up. Kana uchigara muHarare kunotoni kwese kweka side rakapoteredza Harare ka. Here is my very, 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 very heartfelt advice to you. Do not go out and please do not go to the CBD until further notice. Please stay updated. If you want more information also, look for Shepherd Yuda. He is also one of the people that will give you very reliable information as good as I'm trying to give you here. Okay, isina bias mkati. Things are turning nastier than we all thought. Something has happened to State House. Okay, take this word from me. Something has happened to State House, and things are about to go nastier than you can ever think of. I love you, Zimbabwe. Take my word. Thank you.